Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the YouTube app or Safari on your iPad and signing into the Google account used to watch videos. Make sure you're on the right profile because history is tied to that account. Once signed in, tap the profile icon in the top right. This gives access to account menus where history lives. If the app asks to update, install updates first so settings and history features behave predictably. Now proceed to the library section to find the viewing history. Once in library, select history to load your watch list. You'll see entries in reverse chronological order. Scroll to find recent videos. If you need something older, use the history search box or the filter by date options to narrow results quickly. Make sure to check whether you're viewing watch history or search history, since they're separate. If you plan to pause or clear history, understand pausing stops new entries while clearing removes existing records permanently. Decide before tapping those controls. To finish, remove individual videos by tapping the three dots next to an entry and choosing Remove from Watch History, or clear all via settings, right arrow History and Privacy. You can pause history there to stop future logging without deleting past items. If you can't find expected videos, make sure you weren't signed out, using incognito, or signed into a different account or device. Check synced devices activity. Troubleshooting tip: sign out and back in, or reinstall the app to refresh account syncing if history still.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.